Crushes ice with ease. Patented ice Sabre blades combined with a powerful 700-watt peak power motor crushes contents quickly for smooth, icy drinks. Smooth results. Ordinary blenders spin contents around the walls of the jar, which can leave whole chunks untouched by the blades, but our patented Waveaction system is designed to continually force the mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results without stirring. Heat-resistant glass jar. The 40-ounce glass jar is thermal shock tested to withstand extreme temperature changes. It is perfect for parties or making a pitcher of shakes and smoothies that the whole family can enjoy. Mix, puree, ice crush and more with drip-free serving. 14 blending functions handles a variety of blending needs. Plus enjoy no-mess serving with an easy pour spout designed to eliminate drips. Easy to clean. The lid, blades and glass jar are dishwasher safe and the base comes with storage for the cord. 3-year warranty. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the durable motor is life-tested to blend 8,000 frozen drinks. Stainless finish. Sleek stainless steel finish looks great on your countertop. Included components: 40-pound thermal shock-resistant jar. Top reviews from the United States. Good price for a glass blender jar. Got this to blend scratch-made tomato soup because a plastic jar blender might not be up to the task of holding several ounces of simmering hot broth and veggies at once. It probably won't get used too much, but if you were looking for a cheap blender to do this exact thing, I can recommend it.